Imagine turning on your computer and instead of the usual hum of the fan, you hear faint scratching sounds. You open the case to investigate and are greeted by beady eyes staring back at you. This isn't some nightmare from a horror movie. This is the horrifying reality of rat-infested PCs. Welcome to Amazing World Facts, where today we delve deep into the grotesque world of rodent-infested computers. You won't believe what you're about to see. Rats are notorious for invading human spaces, and a PC can be an attractive refuge for these unwelcome guests. But how exactly do they end up inside a computer? Let's break it down. First and foremost, rats are opportunistic creatures. They are constantly searching for food, shelter, and warmth, all of which a neglected PC can provide. Let's start with food. Crumbs left around your workspace, snacks eaten at the desk, or even food particles that slip through the keyboard can attract rats. Once they catch a whiff of these tasty morsels, they're likely to investigate further. Next, there's the matter of entry. Rats are excellent climbers and can squeeze through incredibly small spaces. The openings in your PC case, which might seem insignificant to us, can be a gateway for a rat. Once inside, they find a cozy spot where they can nest. The warmth generated by the components, the darkness inside the case, and the insulation provided by cables and dust make it an ideal environment for nesting. Rats inside a PC might sound like something you'd notice right away, but the signs can often be subtle. So, how do you know if your beloved machine has become a rat hotel? Here are the most common signs. The first and most obvious sign is unusual noises. Rats are nocturnal, so if you hear scratching or scurrying sounds coming from your PC, particularly at night, it's time to investigate. Another telltale sign is droppings. Rats leave behind droppings wherever they go, and if you find small, dark, pellet-like droppings around your PC or workspace, it's a clear indication that you have a rodent problem. Chewed wires are another common indicator. Rats need to gnaw constantly to keep their teeth from overgrowing, and your PC's wires offer the perfect chewing material. If you notice frayed cables or exposed copper inside your PC, you could be dealing with an infestation. Lastly, rats often create nests from whatever material they can find. Inside a PC, this could mean shredded paper, fabric, or even dust and insulation. If you open your PC case and find a makeshift nest, it's clear that your computer has been taken over. Having rats inside your PC isn't just gross, it can also be incredibly dangerous. The consequences of a rat infestation can range from minor inconveniences to full-blown disasters. One of the most significant dangers is electrical damage. Rats chewing through wires can cause shorts, sparks, and even fires. A short circuit caused by chewed wires can lead to the complete failure of your PC's components, or worse, it could spark a fire in your home. Another danger is damage to the PC's components. Rat urine is highly corrosive and can cause severe damage to sensitive parts like the motherboard, graphics card, and hard drive. This damage is often irreversible, leading to costly repairs or the need to replace the entire PC. Rats can also cause data loss and corruption. As they chew through wires and components, they can disrupt the flow of information, causing glitches, crashes, and data corruption. In some cases, this could mean losing important files or projects. Finally, let's not forget the health risks. Rats are carriers of various diseases, and their droppings, urine, and saliva can contaminate your workspace. This can pose a serious health risk, especially if you spend a lot of time at your desk. Now that we've covered the dangers, let's look at some real-life horror stories of rat-infested PCs. These cases will make your skin crawl and serve as a warning to anyone who neglects their computer maintenance. In one case, a man in Texas noticed his PC was running unusually slow and producing a strange odor. When he opened the case, he discovered a rat nest with several baby rats inside. The rats had chewed through the power cables, causing the PC to short out and nearly start a fire. In another case, a woman in New York found that her PC was infested with rats after noticing a terrible smell coming from her desk. Upon inspection, she found that the rats had not only chewed through the wires, but had also died inside the case, causing the stench. The damage was so severe that she had to replace her entire computer. Perhaps the most shocking case comes from a computer repair shop in London. A customer brought in a PC that wouldn't power on, and when the technician opened it up, he found an entire rat colony living inside the case. The rats had chewed through nearly every wire, and the PC was filled with droppings, urine, and nesting materials. The technician had to wear protective gear to clean out the mess, and the PC was deemed beyond repair. Now that we've seen the horrifying consequences of rat-infested PCs, let's talk about how you can prevent this nightmare from happening to you. With a few simple precautions, you can keep your computer safe from rodents. The first step is cleanliness. Make sure to keep your workspace clean and free of food. Avoid eating at your desk, and if you do, clean up any crumbs or spills immediately. A clean environment is much less attractive to rats. Next, seal up any entry points. Make sure your PC case is properly closed and that there are no gaps or openings where a rat could squeeze through. You can also use cable management techniques to keep wires off the ground and out of reach. Consider using traps or rodent repellents around your workspace. Placing traps in strategic locations can help catch any rats before they have a chance to enter your PC. There are also electronic repellents that emit sounds or vibrations that deter rodents from coming near. Regular PC maintenance is also key. Open up your PC case periodically to check for dust, debris, and any signs of rodents. Cleaning your PC regularly not only helps prevent infestations, but also keeps your machine running smoothly. By taking these precautions, you can protect your PC from the horrifying fate of a rat infestation. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your computer and your workspace safe and clean. Rats may be small, but the damage they can cause is anything but. From electrical fires to data loss, a rat-infested PC is a nightmare you don't want to experience. By understanding how rats get into your computer, recognizing the signs of an infestation, and taking proactive steps to prevent it, you can keep your PC safe and sound. Thanks for watching Amazing World Facts. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world around us. And as always, stay curious.